Hey everyone, welcome to Arizona Falls, right here in Phoenix. This is one of those hidden gems in the city that a lot of people don't even know about. It's a beautiful little spot where art and nature come together. Take a walk or snap some great photos. And it's such a peaceful place to relax. You can actually hear the power of the water as it flows through. If you're visiting Phoenix, or even if you live in the area and you're looking for something to do that's different, this is definitely worth the stop. It's free, it's easy to get to, and a perfect way to enjoy a unique side of the city. So, next time you're in the area, come and check out Arizona Falls. You'll be glad you did.